Neutrino problem. Neutrinos, no mass, no charge. It can't be both. This suggests why I think current knowledge about neutrinos is incomplete. First, all mass has charge with one single exception, neutrons, pictured here. See later. Current thinking is that neutrinos have mass but no charge. So if neutrinos have mass, they should have charge. Neutrinos don't have charge, so they should not have mass. Something is not right here. Something has to be changed. My suggestion is that neutrinos, like photons, are bits of energy that have no mass and no charge. Next, let's switch away from neutrinos to neutrons. They are the often cited as the exception to the rule. They are the only quantum particles that have mass but no charge. This is where I disagree. Consider if the neutron has charge, then we have the solution for the problem with neutrinos. If neutron has charge, then neutrinos have no charge and no mass. My suggestion is that neutrons are composite particles. They contain not quarks, but one proton and one electron. Please see my video on problems with quarks. We know that neutrons outside the nucleus decay in about 15 minutes. We also know they decay into one proton plus one electron and an antineutrino. For that reason and many others, see my other posts on this, I suggest that the neutron is a composite of charges. When a free neutron decays, it turns into one proton and one electron and the energy of one antineutrino. Surprisingly, a free neutron essentially turns into a version of a hydrogen atom. So if correct, the neutron is made up of charges, one electron with a negative charge plus one proton with a positive charge. Therefore, a neutron has both mass and charge. Switching back to neutrinos, the same applies. Neutrinos, if they have mass, must have charge. But neutrinos do not have charge, thus they cannot have mass. Neutrinos cannot have mass. Conclusion: neutrinos have no mass and no charge. By the way, the speed of neutrinos is so close to the speed of light as to be within the margin of error. This would fit the idea of neutrinos having no charge and no mass.